Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the mother candle trading strategy. Alright, the mother candle trading strategy is based on a price action concept where one large candlestick contains the price movement of one or more smaller candles that follow it. Okay, so the large candle is called the mother candle. While the smaller candles that form within its range are known as inside candles or inside bars. Okay, so we can see what happened here now. You can see how we had a mother candle here, right? And then you can see these other few candles that we are still within the range of this mother candle. Okay, so these inside candles have highs and lows that remain within the high and the low of the mother candle. Right, you can see the mother candle here. So this pattern often represents a period of market consolidation. After a strong move represented by the mother candle, the market pauses while traders reassess direction. So during this time, price fluctuates within the range of the mother candle without breaking out. So traders who study this pattern usually focus on the high and the low of the mother candle, since these levels can act as temporary support and resistance. So if price eventually breaks above the high of the mother candle, it may indicate that buying pressure is increasing. Then if price breaks below the low of the mother candle, it may suggest that selling pressure is gaining strength. Some traders wait for a confirmed breakout beyond the mother candle range before analyzing the next market move. Others monitor how many inside candles form within the range, since longer consolidation periods can sometimes precede stronger price movement. So this strategy is commonly combined with other forms of technical analysis such as trend direction, support and resistance levels, or broader market structure. The key idea behind the mother candle strategy is that periods of consolidation often occur before the market makes its next significant move. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.